Well, hello, hello, is it me you're looking for? Hey, what's going on? Chris here at Savvy Pants Shop. A couple of videos I was recording today. One of the cool things that I ran across just recently, I've got to travel to see family out of state. I needed to rent a car, and I thought, man, I looked at the standard rental rates from the airport, and I said, man, those are kind of pricey. I wonder if there's any other options out there. Well, there are. If you could think of like Uber for rental cars, and mind you, to the airport where I need to go is about two hours or so, so getting an Uber or a Lyft there, not going to work. So I definitely need a rental car. I need a vehicle while I'm there. I'm there for 4 days or so. Turo, check it out. I have not rented from them yet, but it's very much like Airbnb, but for people's individual automobiles. And usually it's less expensive. The rates that I found that I'm going to use are half of what the rental car agency's rates are. So an individual has a chance to list their vehicle on the website, Turo.com. They list their vehicle on there, they set the price for the vehicle, and then they will actually pick you up in many cases at your location. So I'm flying into an airport. So I found a Turo provider that has a personal vehicle. Maybe it's an extra one, they don't need it, or they want to they have a second vehicle that they didn't trade in that they want to use in Turo to help pay for the payment on the new vehicle, or it's extra money. So I'm going to be going in on a Monday, returning on a Thursday. So this individual with the Turo is actually going to meet me at the airport, pick me up at the airport. I would then go drive them to their location probably and drop them off, and then I split. I think they offered 4 days, was it like 200 miles a day? I think something like that. More than enough. I was worried about unlimited mileage. Some are specific. You could rent somebody's high-end brand new Corvette if you wanted to, and they probably will limit the mileage on that. This one was, I think, a Chevy Malibu or Impala, I think. It had a dent on the back of the trunk, had, I don't know, 70, 90,000 miles on it. I don't care how many miles on it, provided it drives. It shows pictures of the vehicle, and it gives ratings on the individual, much like Airbnb would. If you're renting your place out, you get ratings, like what kind of a host you are, that kind of thing. Are you consistent? Do you show up on time? All those rating systems apply to Turo as well. But just a little tip, a nugget, a little bit of information. We've also considered, I haven't looked into the, not the matrix, but I haven't looked into the data far enough to go, hey, what if I were to buy an extra car and just rent it out on Turo? If you got something inexpensive like a Fiat 500 that people just want to rent because they're kind of cool, they're not going to have a car for a bit of time, or if you live close to an airport, close to Phoenix Sky Harbor for us, or Mesa Gateway, something like that, I could shoot over there, pick somebody up really quick, give them the vehicle, they could drop me back off. That would take 30 minutes, maybe an hour, and maybe you're going to charge them 30, 35 bucks a day, 4 days, 120 bucks. You do that a few times a month, you're going to be making some extra cash. So just an idea. There are lots of people out there, I'm sure, that know lots more about Turo than I do. I am not affiliated with Turo. I'm in the process of using them for the first time, but I thought it was a pretty cool alternative if you needed to rent a car. Actually, the rates were about half of what Enterprise, Dollar, Hertz, Alamo, all those places were. And I'm like, that's a pretty good deal. I really don't, it doesn't have to be brand new. It could have dents all over it. I don't really care, provided it gets me where I want to go. That's all I'm looking for. Pretty cool options there. So from Savvy Pants Shop, there's your little tip of the day. Check out Turo.com. Be good at it. We'll see you soon at Savvy Pants Shop. Toodaloo.